Hi, I'm Ateshta Vermani, a counseling psychologist, and today I'm going to be talking about the 10-minute rule of timed negativity. So, I'll give you an example of myself. The other day, I really fumbled in an interview, and post the interview, the entire chatter in my brain was, you could have said this better. Why didn't you respond as you had rehearsed? Why didn't you stick to what you had done? Why didn't you stick to the topic? The chatter went on and on and on. So after a few minutes, I reflected on it and I realized that sometimes what happens to the best of us, no matter how well prepared we are, how this happens to top performers, it happens to people who graduated from Harvard, that our bodies sometimes freeze and our mind feels like it's betrayed us. However, post that shock of the event, it's very important to allow yourselves to process the experience. So there is something called timed negativity. Now, timed negativity is precision. It's emotional precision. It's not denial. It's not escapism. You allow yourself 10 minutes in the day to process all the negative thoughts, every negative event that's happened to you. Because it's important to process your pain, but it's also important to have emotional boundaries. Untamed and uncontrollable, it can take over your entire life, and you will find yourself in a spiral of anxious thoughts, rumination, negativity, and it gets very hard to get out of that. So it's very important that yes, you process your emotions. Processing your emotions is key, putting labels to your emotions is key, but also to put a timer to it. So when life gets hard, or you fail, or you feel rejected, or you feel unseen, and there is like a turmoil of emotional negativity that is happening, you allow yourself 10 minutes. Allow yourself 10 minutes to cry, complain, hit a pillow, you know but set that timer of 10 minutes. Complain as much as you want in those 10 minutes, but once the timer goes off, you're out of it. You get out of it consciously. So when you come back home from work or any situation or any point of the day, you give yourself 10 minutes. Set a timer of 10 minutes. Go into the room, cry, complain, let the emotions move through your body, write about it, hit a pillow, do whatever. But once those 10 minutes are done, once the timer is off, you get out of those emotions. You rise up, you walk away. And like I mentioned before, that timed negativity is precision. It means that you visit your pain, you feel it without allowing it to stay with you for the rest of the day. It means that you give your vulnerability structure, and to give that structure means you attain peace. And ultimately, you need to realize that when you visit it, you're giving it grace. But grace doesn't mean that you allow yourself to break. Grace means that you allow yourself to rise post anything wrong or a mishap that has happened in your life, and to build your life ahead.